Welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design. In today's second tutorial, we're focusing on fill patterns in SolidWorks, a crucial feature for efficiently populating your models with repeated geometric elements. Previously, we explored the essential tools and foundational techniques. Be sure to check the first video linked in the description for those basics. Today, we'll continue. Let's get started. In the previous video, multiple perforated plate variations were created using fill pattern techniques in SolidWorks. Today, we'll build on that workflow by exploring additional fill pattern options, enhancing your ability to customize complex geometries. Let's start by cutting out a custom shape. For this example, a star-shaped feature will be placed inside an 8 mm diameter circle to act as the seed for the pattern. Next, a closed sketch will be drawn. This boundary can accommodate any configuration you require, making it ideal for non-rectangular or irregular plate layouts. Once the sketch and seed feature are set, it's time to open the Fill Pattern tool. To define the fill boundary, start by selecting the sketch that represents your window or patterned region. Then, in the Function Parameters and Phase, select the selected functions. And select Cut Extrude. After SolidWorks generates the fill pattern template, you can immediately preview its appearance and begin adjusting key parameters. Several options let you fine-tune the pattern to fit your project requirements. The spacing between pattern elements can be set precisely. You can also change the pattern layout: circular, square, polygon. Margins and offsets from the boundaries can be modified positively or negatively, letting you define how close the pattern comes to the edges or overlaps them for specific functional needs. If certain corners of your boundary require modifications, such as bypassing a location different from preset or rejected values, you can easily skip selected instances using the Instances to Skip tool. This control helps you remove unnecessary cutouts and refine the pattern for optimal strength and efficiency. Let's update the model by replacing the Cut Extrude feature with a new Boss Extrude element and observe the results. This kind of modifications are easy to make in SolidWorks. If you found today's tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us grow the channel and continuously create educational content on 3D design in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.